Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show. Got something pretty exciting, at least as exciting for me. Kind of takes me back to my earlier days when I used to put things together. This comes to me from Prunus, and it's a do-it-yourself wooden radio that you put together. I showed you one of these a couple of months ago. This is AM and FM and has auxiliary input, plus it has a dial, I'll call it tuner instead of digital like the one I did before. Let's just look inside the box here. It sells on Amazon for $20. And it was sent to me by Prunus. There's the information: AM, FM, external antenna, extendable antenna, auxiliary input, operates on 3 AA batteries, and it's about 15 by 6 by 10 centimeters. That's it. Oh, there's pictures. Oh, yeah. There's pictures on the back show you details of how to assemble it. Pretty easy. I think the last one took me about 20 minutes, and that was mainly because of the small screws that were a little difficult for me to handle. Take it out of the box here. Here is the wooden parts. You punch out. There is the dial. On-off volume. And then this is the actual circuit board with the telescopic antenna. That's the battery pack. I'm not sure what that is. Oh, it's the knobs. That's it. I'm going to enjoy putting this together. I won't do a video putting it together because I'm pretty much fumble fingers and I struggle a little bit. But I'm really I like to do these things now because, like I said before, I used to do these on a much bigger scale, and I just like to do them, but I can't do the ones that take, days to do anymore. Just can't concentrate that long. I was going to say something else. What was it? Oh, the beauty of these kits, these radio kits, is when you get done, you have something that's functional. It doesn't just sit on the shelf and you look at it like a puzzle or a Lego set or something like that. It actually has a purpose. This one is AM and FM with, like I say, analog tuning. Analog meaning you turn the knob, you don't just push a button. I like that too. So this is going to be fun to put together. Shouldn't take me very long. It doesn't require any soldering. The only tool, and I don't even know if this requires it, is maybe a screwdriver. I'm not sure. I'm just going to make a look at the instructions here. Trying to see if it has any. I don't think it has any screws. I think everything snaps into place. That's cool. Okay. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the show, please give me a thumbs up. And again, I want to thank Prunus for sending this to me. I love their radios. They have very good, inexpensive radios. And I've reviewed most of them. Have a great day. Bye-bye.